Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In this video we'll provide a detailed parameter comparison between the Skydroid G16 Remote Controller and the Skydroid H16 Remote Controller, helping you choose the one that best fits your needs. In terms of the processor platform, the difference is even more significant. The H16 uses a PingPi chip solution, while the G16 is equipped with a Qualcomm 6nm processor. This provides stronger computing performance, lower power consumption, and better heat management. During long-term ground station operation or multitasking, the G16 delivers smoother and more stable system performance. Regarding the operating system, the H16 runs on Android 7.1, while the G16 is upgraded to Android 13 embedded system. A newer system version means better compatibility, enhanced security mechanisms, and broader app support. For users who need to install industry applications or customize software, the G16 offers significantly stronger scalability. For the display, the H16 features a peak brightness of 1800 nits, while the G16 offers 1500 nits. In terms of pure brightness, the H16 has a slight advantage under strong direct sunlight. However, the G16 comes with a 7-inch 1920x1200 industrial-grade sunlight-readable touchscreen, delivering higher resolution and more refined image clarity overall. In terms of interfaces, the H16 is equipped with an RJ45 Ethernet port, while the G16 does not include an RJ45 port on the main unit. If your application requires direct wired network connectivity, the H16 provides greater convenience. Meanwhile, the G16 emphasizes wireless communication and multifunctional expansion capabilities. When it comes to charging speed, the H16 supports 18W fast charging, while the G16 supports 36W PD fast charging. In real-world use, the G16 charges more efficiently and replenishes power faster, which is especially beneficial for field operations requiring quick turnaround times. The H16 uses a single-band 2.4 GHz solution, while the G16 upgrades to a dual-band 2.4 GHz plus 5.8 GHz design. The advantage of dual-band technology is that it can automatically switch frequencies based on the environment, providing stronger anti-interference capability and more stable video and data transmission. For complex urban environments or long-range missions, the G16 offers better adaptability. For transmission distance, the H16 Pro version supports up to 20 km video and data transmission, while the G16 supports up to 30 km. For ultra-long-range inspections, power line patrols, or large-area missions, the G16 has a clear advantage in link distance. In summary, if you prioritize a high-brightness screen, wired Ethernet connectivity, and a mature, stable platform, the H16 remains a very reliable choice. However, if you value stronger system performance, dual-band anti-interference capability, longer transmission range, and faster charging efficiency, the G16 offers a more forward-looking and powerful configuration. That concludes our comparison of the Skydroid G16 and Skydroid H16. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more professional equipment comparisons and real-world tests. See you in the next video.